In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a call in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through every detail you need to know to seamlessly log your calls. By the end of this session, you'll be efficiently documenting your communications with ease. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Starting at the Salesforce homepage, you'll notice a multitude of options and features. Familiarizing yourself with the interface is key. Now, to find your way around, look out for the App Launcher. This is your gateway to navigating through different Salesforce applications and tools. Give it a click and you'll be presented with a menu housing all the apps available to you. It's here that you can customize your operations, find specific apps you work with regularly, and streamline your workflow. Next, it's time to open the record page. Depending on your specific task, this could be a lead, contact, account, or opportunity. These records contain the vital details pertinent to your interaction. Once you're on the correct record page, you'll notice multiple components that form part of the records interface. Pay close attention to these sections as they collectively offer a comprehensive view of your engagement with that particular entity. Now, locate the activity component area on this page. This is often situated centrally on the layout and presents options for directly logging actions associated with your records. Hover over it and you'll see Log a Call amongst other choices. Clicking Log a Call initiates the process of formally recording your interaction, which is crucial for maintaining a history of your communications. As the new form surfaces, you'll need to enter specific details about the call. Begin by filling out the subject field, offering a brief encapsulation of the purpose of the call. Then, in the comments section, provide a more detailed account of the conversation. Don't hold back from including key points and outcomes from the call. This narrative is invaluable for future reference. Also, confirm or enter the related to field if it isn't automatically populated. This connects the call to the correct record, ensuring your data remains well structured. The next step involves setting the task fields to organize and prioritize this activity effectively. Here, you'll adjust settings like the status, priority, and due date. These fields serve to categorize the urgency and follow-up requirements for the interaction, enhancing overall task management. Finally, with all your details entered, the last step is to click Save. This action confirms the entry of the call as a documented activity within Salesforce. And there you have it. Your call is now logged and can be easily referenced whenever needed. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your sales operations and enhancing your record keeping within Salesforce. Thanks for joining me today, and happy logging!